What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. For those of you who don't know, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrency with some serious efficiency. Today I wanted to talk about the Bitcoin price and Electroneum, two amazing projects, guys, and I wanted to also go over a little bit on the cycles and just what's going to happen in the Bitcoin price. If you are not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'm going to dive right into the price action. Alright guys, so let's just dive into the Bitcoin price here and talk about what's going on. So we've definitely been working this big ascending wedge right here, and yes, lots of patterns within patterns here. For instance, we are working on the 4 hour right now, and we just had a retest of some major resistances. For instance, you go up to the daily, you can see right here that we just got a nice bounce off of the 55, guys, and we've started to kind of retest what was support within this little pattern here, and we're starting to move along it. Okay, so what I want you guys to actually do is watch for the breaking of this major resistance of the pattern and or this support. Okay, if the resistance is broken, look for a nice long. If the support is broken, look for a nice short, and then ride it down from target projection measured from the back of the wedge. Now there's two ways to measure these things. You can use traditional way of measuring wedge, which is always at the bottom of the wedge, or if it's a descending would be the top, or you can measure from the back based on the wedge size, and that's what I actually like to do in this situation. Play wedge theory in this moment to get a good target acquisition, guys. That's exactly how I'm playing the Bitcoin price. And in simplicity, guys, if we get this breakout ride to target projection of the ascending triangle right there, taken to target projection, which already has started the breakout, guys, but I think we could end up easily retesting the 100 if we continue a little bit more bullish sentiment. For instance, one big thing that I'm looking for to come into the market is the volume. Okay, so for instance, we have a little rise, we're going to get a little down, and then a little up. Okay, so the movement should probably coincide right around here maybe, and that's exactly what I'm looking for, guys, in the Bitcoin price. Get your trades ready. Let me know if you caught that bounce off of the 55 and the top of this resistance, guys. That was amazing times, guys. Let's jump over to Electroneum. Okay, now I haven't looked at this one yet today, but we have been getting a little bit of a pump, and we have broken out of this pattern at the moment. Okay, for instance, we had a big wick heading all the way up, which touched the 100 on the daily, guys. Very key relevance, also coincided with what was a polar support, okay, now acting as a resistance. Also, barbell theory playing out nicely, the widening of the bell, the consolidation, and the widening again, guys. That is playing out as we speak. Now, how I'd play this, guys, is go down to smaller time frames and look for patterns to develop. For instance, go all the way down to like the 15, and notice there's barbell theory playing out really nicely right there. But guys, just in simplicity, we have a little bit more bullish favor right now. For instance, we've had a total flipping of the EMAs on the smaller time frame, and guys, if we can actually break out of this right here, that is a really good sign for Electroneum. And I think once we head into expansion phase within this cycle, we're going to start to see Electroneum kind of bust out of this phase here, which would be very good for the project. On the bigger time frames, that being said, we are getting closer and closer to retesting reverse pressure right here, guys. When we retest reverse pressure and break out, we could get a total flipping of the estimated moving averages on the daily, and that would be extremely bullish for Electroneum, guys. So that's how I'm going to be playing these trades moving forward. Look for patterns within patterns, which is essentially just bigger patterns. Use wedge as an example, and then which has other patterns within, whether it be a wedge, a head and shoulders pattern. Okay, there could be many things. A W formation with a clear point of resistance, and that's how you play those things, guys. Dice up the patterns as well as you can, and then combine all the indication plays with volume so you can accurate representation of where the price action is going in the immediate, guys. And that is all the time I have for today. Just incredible times in the price action in cryptocurrency. I will be speaking at a convention in October involving real estate and crypto, and I'll be getting you guys all the details on that moving forward. An inevitable bridge in our infrastructure and moving forward as digital currency becomes more and more popular. Real estate is just something that I think will be combined naturally, and before we know it, just part of our structure, guys. Amazing times. If you are not subscribed yet, definitely smash the subscribe button and get subscribed, guys. Increase your knowledge in the cryptocurrency market. You will not regret it. Think of the market still having around 27 more years to develop and amazing profits to be had, guys. And just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.
audio